China is on the move. The country is undergoing a transportation revolution, embracing futuristic innovations that are changing how we move. Forget traffic jams and crowded subways. China is looking to the skies and reimagining the roads with electric vehicles, autonomous air taxis, and even flying motorcycles. These advancements represent a commitment to safety, efficiency, and a greener future. China's rapid urbanization and technological prowess have created the perfect environment for this transportation renaissance. The country is investing heavily in research and development, fostering homegrown companies that are challenging established industry giants. This shift is palpable on the streets of Beijing and Shanghai, where electric vehicles are becoming increasingly commonplace. The world is watching, eager to see what groundbreaking innovations will emerge next from the world's most populous nation. The future of mobility is being written in China, and the world is invited to take a ride. China's commitment to innovation is evident in its wide array of futuristic transportation solutions. One striking example is the BYD Yangwang U8, an electric SUV that redefines versatility. This vehicle can not only navigate challenging terrain, but also tackle floods with its unique floating capability. Looking skyward, we encounter the Ehang 216S, an autonomous air taxi designed to alleviate urban congestion. This electric aircraft, resembling a large drone, can carry passengers silently and efficiently above the gridlock. For those seeking a more exhilarating mode of transport, the Lazareth LMV 496 offers a unique proposition, a flying motorcycle. These innovations are just a sampling of China's ambitious endeavors in the realm of transportation. The country is developing high-speed rail networks, exploring hyperloop technology, and investing in autonomous driving systems. China's transportation innovations are not confined to their immediate impact on mobility. The widespread adoption of electric vehicles directly addresses China's air pollution crisis, improving air quality and public health. Beyond environmental benefits, these advancements are creating new industries and job opportunities. The development and production of electric vehicles, autonomous air taxis, and supporting infrastructure require a skilled workforce, leading to job growth in engineering, manufacturing, and technology sectors. Moreover, China's transportation innovations have the potential to reshape urban planning and design. These innovations are not merely about changing how we move. They are about creating a better future for generations to come. Section 4. China's Ascent in the Global Innovation Race. China's investment in futuristic transportation technologies has made it a global innovation leader, competing with the US, Japan, and Germany. Strategic investments in R&D and manufacturing have enabled rapid development of cutting-edge solutions. Companies like BYD and NIO lead in producing affordable, high-quality electric cars. China's dominance in battery technology strengthens its electric vehicle market position. Embracing bold ideas like flying cars and air taxis sets China apart globally. China's push for sustainable transportation positions it as a key global player. In Section 5, Shaping Tomorrow, the Future of Transportation. The future of transportation is being written in China. Innovation and bold ideas are transforming mobility. Electric vehicles are becoming ubiquitous, while autonomous air taxis and flying vehicles are on the horizon. Challenges in safety, regulation, and infrastructure remain. But China's advancements are undeniable. The future of mobility is a shared journey, connecting people and fostering innovation, building a sustainable and prosperous future for all.